What's the meaning of animated? Animated. 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 Animated.
Animated refers to something that is brought to life and made to move, typically through the use of drawings or computer-generated graphics. In animation, objects or characters are depicted in a series of frames or images, which are then played quickly one after the other to create the illusion of motion. Animated content can be found in various formats including films, television shows, video games, and advertisements. The end result is often visually captivating and entertaining, allowing creators to tell stories and convey ideas in ways that are not possible through live-action media alone.